Time now for our weather chat, and today we're taking it in the weeds, talking about supercells and that infamous atmospheric cap.
Yeah, today is the start of May. We know in Central Texas that pretty much almost every single day, whether it's a dry line or a cold front, there is some sort of supercell potential, it feels like.
Trust no storm.
Trust
That's usually
no
in the month of May. It's
Trust
going to do
no
bad
computer
things.
model, right.
Exactly.
I mean, it could pop up anywhere. We'll get to that in just a second. Supercells, what are they? They are rotating thunderstorms with updrafts.
Yeah, and you know, I do a lot of speaking with kids, and I say with thunderstorms, not every single thunderstorm spins, which is why not every single thunderstorm gives us a tornado. But the ones that do spin, the ones that have those really strong winds and the vertical going up and down, those supercells, those rotating thunderstorms are the ones that we really have to pay attention to.
Absolutely, and large hail as well. We saw yesterday tennis ball sized hail. Around 4 or 5 o'clock, there was nothing on the radar, and then all of a sudden, boom, we start getting some more storms that develop more in the outflow boundary, and these form in very unstable environments, and they can last for a while.
The more isolated these storms are, they tend to be much, much stronger because they're not competing for energy. So if you see a lone wolf storm, like kind of what we had in Williamson County yesterday, those are the ones that can do some serious damage.
And it looks like today we're going to see a little bit more of that isolated, discrete supercell activity, maybe even a little bit tomorrow. Cold fronts, it's more difficult for those discrete cells, but still regardless, we have to stay weather aware. We've been talking about the cap as well, because when the cap is stable, we have that limited severe weather threat, and you can see with the temperature profile there as well. When things turn unstable and it breaks through, that's when things can get a little more serious. Yeah,
so this is us here at the bottom. In a totally normal atmosphere, we cool with height, right? It gets cooler up above us. The temperatures are warmest down here at the ground because the sun warms the ground and the ground warms the air right above it. So it makes sense that temperatures will get cooler, but sometimes we've got a little bit of a stable layer here up above us. In a very stable atmosphere, if that cap can hold, those storms kind of run into a lid and they're not allowed to explode up above that cap. But like kind of what we expect today, when you get enough instability, when you get enough of that sunshine, that warmth down here at the ground, there's weaknesses in the cap that could break and allow for explosive storm development. This is the situation we're concerned about.
Yeah, you need the moisture, which we have, the thunderstorm instability. And once that cap breaks, storms spark. Once there's one popcorn effect, we can see many supercells eventually taking a linear structure, and it can cause some hail, damage, and winds and flooding.
And you know, this is a prime example of why our rain chances today were kind of like, meh, it could happen here, it could happen here, because we're just waiting on where are these weaknesses. When you got a big old bully cold front like what we have tomorrow, that's just going to plow through this cap, and these storms got nothing to worry about when it comes to a limiting factor up above. So that's why we're so confident in the storm chances tomorrow. But today we're like, yeah, it could happen in Mason, could happen in Travis, could happen in Fayette. And I know that's annoying, but that's just kind of the nature of the beast. Springtime in Central Texas, because this is the limiting factor, is the lift. Because we need more lift to overcome the cap, whereas tomorrow, I don't think we'll have any issues.
Yeah, hit and miss today, a little more widespread tomorrow. Regardless, they can both pack a punch.
Yeah, so just kind of taking it in the weeds when it comes to supercells and how they grow and how they can grow with the atmospheric cap. You can find more details online at kxan.com.